Hey guys, and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to make your own sound in TikTok. To start, open your YouTube application in your mobile device. Search for copyright-free music. Then, tap on any copyright-free music over at YouTube. Now, screen record any video from YouTube that is free and copyright-free. Now open your TikTok application. On TikTok, tap on the plus sign. Then the next step is to click on your videos or your gallery and then select the screen recorded music video. Then tap on next. Now the next step is to post the video. Now head on over to your postings and then tap on the three dots. Once the more pop-up appears, scroll down to the rightmost corner. Then click on privacy settings. Once you're here, switch to everyone on who can watch this video. Now tap on the video this time and then tap on use this sound. And then in here, input a sound title. Once done, click on save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.